We're here at Merrimack Operations Center preparing to send a yellow bus out into the community to deliver some school supplies. You know, every year our community really steps up to make sure our kids have exactly what they need to be successful in school. And this year's no different. The community gathered supplies, even did drive-through deliveries of supplies to young people where their families could come and safely drive through, pick up backpacks full of things. They also delivered supplies directly to our schools and to us here at Merrimack so that we could sort them and get them out into the community for our young people who needed them. Nothing's different this year. The community is so involved and so generous. But what is different is our kids aren't in school to tell us that they need the supplies, and they're not there for us to give them to them. So we're being a little creative this year. For those young people who still have needs, and particularly for those who can't get to the school to get them, we've prepared packets of the essential virtual learning materials for various grade levels. We've worked with our terrific transportation department to come down here and help us sort, pack, and create those packets. And now they're going out into the community to community bus stops so that parents can pick up what they need. They're also dropping things at the schools because many of our school professionals are getting those out as well, and parents are coming to pick them up. I'm just so delighted to say that in Hampton, our community is always collaborative with us, and we're all about every child, every day, whatever it takes.